Hi there friends, Salam Doston. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. If you are new to this channel, my name is Hussein, and together with my brother Hassan, we teach Tajik in this channel. And right now, you are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And every week, we teach 10 new vocabulary words. And this is week 27. And our first word is illness, bemorī. Bemorī, bemorī. So the sentence, he was absent because of illness. Вай аз сабаби беморӣ ҳозир набуд. Вай аз сабаби беморӣ ҳозир набуд. And the word ҳозир has two meanings. One is like right now, ҳозир, now. And another meaning, ҳозир is like present. You are there at the time. So it's like the opposite of absent. Injury, ҷароҳат. ҷароҳат, ҷароҳат. Okay, so the doctor treated Asiya's injury. Asiya is a female name. So in Tajik, духтур ҷароҳати Асияро табобат кард. Духтур ҷароҳати Асияро табобат кард. To break, шикастан. Шикастан, шикастан. So Fakhreddin fell and broke his arm while he was skiing. And Fakhreddin is a male name. So Fakhreddin ҳангоми лижаронӣ афтида дасташро шикаст. Fakhreddin ҳангоми лижаронӣ афтида дасташро шикаст. The word shikastan is an infinitive, and in a sentence it comes as shikast. So if you want to know why, you can watch our video about the verbs, and you can find a link to that video in the description box. Medicine, дору. Дору, дору. Okay, so if you take this medicine, you will feel better. Агар шумо ин доруро истеъмол кунед, худро беҳтар ҳис мекунед. Okay, one more time. Агар шумо ин доруро истеъмол кунед, худро беҳтар ҳис мекунед. Pain, дард. Дард, дард. Okay, so I'm not in any pain. Ман ягон дард надорам. Ман ягон дард надорам. Luckily. Normally, we don't pronounce the last letter D at the end, so it sounds like dard, dard. And it's the same like in English, you say brand new, you don't say brand new, right? Brand new, so it's the same, dard. Cold, zukom. Zukom, zukom. So the sentence, I have a cold. Man zukom shudam. Man zukom shudam. And zukom is so rare. To be honest, I've never heard anyone using this word. Normally, we say man bemor shudam or man kasal shudam. Instead of zukom, we use bemor and kasal. Remedy, davo. Davo, davo. Okay, so hot lemon tea with honey is a good remedy for colds. Чой гарм бо лимӯ ва асал барои зуком давои хуб аст. One more time. Чой гарм бо лимӯ ва асал барои зуком давои хуб аст. Fatique, хастагӣ. Хастагӣ, хастагӣ, long E at the end. So Равшан looks fatigued, and Равшан is a male name. So Равшан хаста менамояд. Равшан хаста менамояд. Blood, хун. Хун, хун. And the first letter is х, х, хун. Okay, do you know your blood type? шумо гурӯҳи хунатонро медонед? шумо гурӯҳи хунатонро медонед? Pressure, фишор. Фишор, фишор. I have a high blood pressure. Фишори ман баланд аст. Fishori man baland ast. Alright, that was our last word. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Khair.